When you log into Visual DB, this is the first screen you see. You can see all of the applications that you've created. If you haven't already created an application, you can press New App. Then you can choose a name, description, color, and icon. I've already created an application here, so I'm going to open it by clicking on it. The first thing you want to do is create a database connection. Click on Connections, then New Connections, and then click on the type of database that you have. I have a MySQL connection, so I'm going to click on MySQL. Then you can give the connection a name, type the name of the host, port, username, password, and select the database, then click OK. You want to make sure that this IP address is allowed access to your database. I've already made a connection here, so now I want to see what tables are inside that database. So I click here to browse the tables. These are the tables. I'm specifically interested in this task table, so I'm going to click on the columns and see what columns are inside that task table. As you can see, there are these two related tables. The project ID is actually a foreign key that links to the project table. Assigned to is a foreign key that links to the employee table. I'm going to create a query using these three tables. So I click on Queries, click New Query, use Query Builder, and then type the name of a query. I'm going to call it Projects. Then choose a connection and click Continue. I'm going to add a table. The table that I'm interested in is called Tasks. So I click on that, select all of the columns of that table, then I know there are two related tables. So the first table I want to add is the employee because that's where the employee name is going to come from. Then click on Add Related Table again and add the project table because that's where the project title and department are going to come from. Now I can test the query. Click Execute to test the query and it's working. And I click OK to create the query. Now to create a sheet based on this query, click on Sheets and press New Sheet, type the name of the sheet, select the query, and click Continue. Now you get a sheet. You can make the sheet look nicer, which we'll see in another video. Let me go back and show you how you can also create a form based on the same query. Click New Form, type the name of the form, choose a query, and click Continue, which now creates a default form. You can customize this form in a variety of ways, which we'll also see how to do in a different video.